we embark on the road trip of a lifetime across southern Iceland. We see some of the most beautiful sights above and below ground. We see the many waterfalls that Iceland has to offer. Some sights we didn't like so much.
I think it was a complete waste of time.
But nevertheless, the landscape never failed to amaze us. We reached a crescendo of the glaciers against the sunset.
If you see the waves there, it looks really pretty, like a black and white combination of sand and waves. It looks real nice.
Okay, so how did you find our time in Iceland?
It was very good. I think I really enjoyed.